Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Meg and Selena. Ngayon guys, gonna unwrap this gift. It was given to me by Teresa, my sister friend. So, buksan natin kung ano yung gift niya. Dalawa to eh. So, wow, it's a chopping board. Since, you know guys, mahilig ako magluto. This is really nice. Look at that one. Oh. Yeah, chopping board siya. Thank you, Teresa. And I still have another one. Tignan natin kung ano. Okay? Oh, ang ganda. It's a holiday set too. It's a sets of knives, guys. Ang ganda naman. This is really nice. Wow. Thank you, Teresa. And they have different colors for the chopping board. Saka guys, kakaiba siya. Oh. Meron siyang edges dito. So, they got green, blue, and red. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're gonna like and subscribe my channel. So, I'll see you next time. It's me again, Selena. Bye!